How to make Team Fortress 2 kick-ass sprays. First of all, you want to open Photoshop or something similar, create a 1000 by 1000 document, and put some text in here. We're just going to put Tanza, as that's the name I play under. If you've already got a kick-ass image already, and you don't need to do this bit, then just skip to the actual spray creating bit. But there we go, we'll just simple name, Tanza, and we'll export that, and we're just going to call it blah 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 112112. Right, once we've got that, then we want to go to this website here, which is called Illusion Diffusion, which is Hugging Face. Once you get onto this website, you want to add your image here that we just created, and then you want to put in a description of what you want the image to look like. In this case, I put Blood Splatter Halloween Pennywise, and it generated this image. This is going to be our image for our spray. Lovely. You click on the download button, save it to your desktop. Wonderful. Once you've got it saved to your desktop, you want to go to this VTF Spray Converter website. If you just type in VTF Spray Converter or this website address up the top here, I'm sure you'll get it. If it looks like this, you're on it. All you need to do is choose the files. I'm going to just choose the picture we just chose. Sorry, I'm going to choose the picture we just made. That's the picture we just made. We'll leave all these settings as they are. We'll just give it a name. I'm going to call it 221 whatever. And we'll save that into our logos folder in the Team Fortress 2 directory. So in this directory here, logos folder, you want to save your VTF and your VTM into that folder. So we'll click there, we'll save that, and we'll click on that button. We'll also save that one. Once you've got that image saved into Team Fortress 2, we'll go back to Team Fortress 2, we'll click on Options, Multiplayer, Spray, and we'll click on the image we just made, 212 whatever it is. Okay, and then we'll just test that spray out. So we'll just create a server. We won't need to join a proper one, we'll just create a little 2-fort one, just test this spray on. So we'll just give this a second to load. Once we're in Team Fortress 2, we'll just join a site quickly. There's a spot in Team Fortress 2-fort, outside the front here on the red base where I like to put my sprays to test them out. So we'll just nip over here, we'll have a quick look. There's a nice little space there, it looks like, just for a spray to go. Boom, there's our spray. Kick our spray. Boom. Because it's Illusion Diffusion, if I zoom out here, you can see the word Tanza there. And as you zoom in, you can sort of disappears and becomes part of his clothes. And there we go. We'll just pop back there and have another little look as soon as the round's restarting. So create an image in Photoshop, go on that Illusion Diffusion website, give it a description, create the image, go to VTF Converter, add it there, save your VMT and your VTF to your logos folder, choose it in Team Fortress 2,